Hello guys, welcome to today's recording. I am your guy Moses, and I'm very happy that you are here with me. And today, guys, I did got some challenges, but I'm happy. I have learned my lesson. You know, something that we call mindset is a big challenge. But I believe I will overcome that challenge. I've realized that when you are learning something for the first time, sometimes you stick to the rules, sometimes you break the rules, sometimes you stick to the rules, sometimes you break the rules. But at the end of the day, you will still you will keep the rules. That is after some few mistakes, some few challenges, but finally you keep to the rules. You keep to the rules. There is no otherwise. You have to keep to the rules. I have to keep to the rules. Let me take you to the chat and tell you and give you the reason why I've said so. Now, today I came to the market when the market had actually moved from all the way down and then it was up and then past the news. Actually, we had some news here. That is, we had Fed Chair Powell testimony, and you can see how it did. It demanded the market at exactly uh, 5 p.m. after East African time, and you can see this is what it did. Now my indicator tells me that I should be buying. So if I were here at exactly 5:05, I would have bought because this one is a demand zone. This is a demand zone, but guys, I was not around. I was not even near the market. I was actually serving my clients in the college, so it didn't work for me here. I was supposed to have bought something like this. Take a look, take a look, something like that. TP 50 pips, stop loss 30 pips. So that is what I was supposed to have bought, but I was not in the market anyway. So I could not even think of trading. I could not even think of trading. Therefore, I did not buy. I did not trade anyway. I did not trade. I did not trade. I did not trade. But now the reason I've even recorded this video is, based on the period I've stayed on the market, I can easily tell when the market is actually going and when the market is actually not. So see here, if you look at this market from here, from here, uh, the market came down, it was rejected, it came up, it was again rejected, it forced its way. But what you can see up here is a big supply zone as a result of 1 hour. As a result of 1 hour, this is what I'm talking about. This zone here, the zone up here, this one here. Let me change the color. That zone, actually, let me put a very sharp one. This zone here, it's a supply zone as a result of yesterday's move. Therefore, we are expecting that most of the orders were placed here. So I was expecting that even if it doesn't, even if it doesn't, a minute, guys, a minute, just a minute. How do I remove this? My goodness. Yeah. So I expected that because it is now, it has tapped into the supply, it will actually come down to the 1 hour demand zone that you can see down here. But the market will always do what it pleases. Therefore, I could not be able to uh, let it not do what it could please. But this is the challenge that I've gotten, and it was very serious, a very serious challenge. When I noted that the price is going down, I waited for the break of this uh, resistance zone. For the break of that resistance zone, let me show you. Let me show you the zone I'm talking about. This one. When it broke, I was in. But now the mistake I made is going down to 1 minute and watching the move from 1 minute. 1 minute can never tell you a lot of story. It only tells you a story for a short time. And that is the mistake I did. I just entered. It went on well, but on retracement I exited. Again, I tried entering, and on retracement I exited. I tried entering on retracement I exited. Unfortunately, I got trapped. And I can show you what it did to me. This is exactly what we call madness. This is what we call madness. Please, I thank God because I'm learning to run away from the madness. You can see the madness. 74 points went back. 74 points, 68 points. That was too much of a loss for a small account like that one of mine. Ilikuwa ni uchungu, lakini sasa tutafanya aje na tulikosa kutii? Tutafanya namna gani? But anyway, I accepted because I'm still growing. I accepted. If you don't accept the mistake and correct, and you are growing, then you are an idiot. I accepted, and so I am not an idiot because I learned my point. I learned my point, my friend. Yeah. So it came back because of the change of character. Yeah. Came back and I was expecting it to come back to this zone, which it did. And when it did that, I actually entered. I actually entered. So my second entry has bought me the 50 pips as required. So you can see 50 points, and I've recovered from the 74 and the 68 points. I've recovered only 50 points. So out of the possible 130 something, I've recovered 50 points. I do not intend to continue trading right now because it is that time to intermingle with my family. So guys, I thank you for watching this clip.